My name is Ibrahim Qasim from LSI, the architectural. My role as in the project is a project manager.
I'm Courtney Ortiz with Thiel Team, and I was project manager and interior designer on the project.
I am Trey Seidel with Bravo Construction. I'm a superintendent. I handled on-site logistics and coordination during the project.
And I'm Tommy Carroll, Bravo Construction, and served as the project manager.
So the intent was to really just have much more grand entrance to the dining areas, to the feeling and the space of the country club.
So the design aesthetic really wanted it to feel like it was cohesive with the surrounding neighborhood and the houses that were existing and the houses that were being built. And so they gave us the direction of having a style that was very Texas Hill Country with bits of kind of a Spanish revival flair. And so we used that as sort of the basis of what the overall style was. And then we also knew that they were going to be using the idea of the violet crown for their logo. And so we brought that into the color palette. So we have lots of purples and really rich hues. The sky here in Austin turns violet sometimes, which is just specific to the city, and they call it the Violet Crown. That's a nickname for the city. And so they were using that in the logo, the Westlake logo, the W, which is meant to look like a crown. And so we brought that into the color palette. So you see a lot of purples and violets throughout, mixed in with this sort of rust and the oranges throughout. So we used all of that to kind of create the overall design aesthetic, and we really wanted everything to just be really glamorous and a little more moody, something that just felt very elevated compared to what we had previously, which was very comfortable and beautiful, but we wanted it to definitely elevate the space from what they had previously.
We had, the existing condition was a solid stone partition, so shortly after the demo phase, made those cuts to open up the portal. We had all safety measures, temporary shoring, anything to shore up that partition. We salvaged all the stone to be reused in other areas that required demo and toothing in stone.
And the other thing that we kept pretty similar to what it was previously, but I think we really accented it, elevated it, was the beams by adding the recessed lighting. And I think that really helped with just the mood of the space, and it just turned out beautiful.
And those LED lights, whenever these lights dim for dinner or happy hour, whenever the LED strips are illuminated, it really makes it kind of pop in here.
And again, for that such a complex building, being able to break through and actually stay on the schedule and actually deal with any fan conditions has been really one of the, I think, the points we actually, probably everyone over here is proud of that, is, being able to really pull through it and make it happen.
Yeah, I agree. I think just coordinating with everyone worked really well. It was a great team.
Yeah, with an older building, you're obviously going to uncover quite a few challenging existing conditions. So staying lock and step with the design team, any RFIs, anything that came up on site, just staying diligent and on top of delivering exceptional space.